Alright, I'm going to do a demonstration on a hand drill. This is Mullin. It's also a medicinal plant, and that's another video of that. I got this when we went to the Grand Canyon. I harvested it on the way there. Me and my brother-in-law went to the store, and then I seen it. It's a pretty long piece, pretty nice. And this is a piece of rose branch I cut off. I have another piece somewhere around. I don't know where it's at, but works really good too, from rose bush. But anyways, I got the hearth board here, and you need something to catch the ember. So I have that, and I have my old timer charade. I'm using that, but we'll be just playing with this. We'll see if we can get an ember with this. This is a cedar board. If you're using any kind of wood, you need something that's you can get your fingernail into it so it's soft. That's the best kind for doing with a hand drill. Or a bow drill too. Makes it a lot easier to get a ember. With the hardwood, it takes longer. It's harder to get the ember. So if you're in a survival fire situation, possibly the better chances is with the softer wood. And then with these have a like a pithy type center core. Well, this is dried out, but this works really well. And same with this. It should have a center. But also, if you use a bull thistle is a good one too, with the hand drill. I have some of that. I'll do a demo on that too. But let me get the camera set up, and then we'll start doing this. That's a pretty good angle right there. Well, I already did one with this yesterday, but you gotta have this away from there a little bit, so it's like a little half further, so like about right there, because then you can cut your notch in. But we'll get it going on right there. Just give it a little divot right there. So we got our little divot in right there. There's also room you could probably make another one right here. But anyways. That's how you do it. You can wet your hands a little bit, help you out a little bit. First you've got to burn it in so it matches up both pieces. So now we got it burned in, so now both pieces are going to match up real good. So I'm going to pause this and we'll cut a notch in. Alright, when I was cutting my notch, this piece broke out. You see right there. But we're still pretty much far enough back that we'll be able to save it. But you put the notch in there like that at an angle and then towards the back, and then only go like pretty much that far in. That way, so the dust fills up in here. And I'll demonstrate that right now. You just first start off, you just go slow, feed up the board. This heats up that board. and after it'll heat up more, then you just go down on it. You see the dust start piling up right there a little bit. You can see a little bit of smoke. You just keep going at it, it'll heat up more and more. Sorry about my camera's phone. So as soon as it's heating up more and more, I'm filling it with particles. You can really start going at it. I hear it's kind of glazing up, sounds like. So now we gotta see, it's kind of glazing up, getting shiny. So I have to scrape that and then go back at it again. So when it does that, just trim it back, and then you can go back at it again. Yeah, seems like we're getting glazed up in here too, so we'll have to clean this out. So hold on. I got that all cleaned up now. Sorry I put you on pause, I just don't make it too long for you. There you go. Now filling up with dust again, sawdust. Now it's heating up. There, I should get it. Just let it sit there and smolder. No, maybe not. Let's get back in there when it's still hot. that was enough to ignite. That's pretty tiring. Doesn't look like it. Nope. Didn't get it. Almost. So it started getting black right there. So I have to start another one. Just getting too low. There it goes. You see, I got it going. It's smoldering. It's not just barely tap. To get that ember to fall out. And you can let that sit and smolder up a little bit because you have all this dust right there to build an ember up. And then you would take your tinder bundle, like leaves and some grasses, or you can get some fluff from a pussy willow or some jute twine, and have it all shredded up and to put on a ball, and just put that in the middle and just blow that into a flame. Oh, see, look, I got a blister going on right here. Nice. But yeah, that's how you do it. Look at that bad boy. Oh yeah. That's how you do it, folks.